Let's try again. Maybe good. Third, let's say V. And 3, 2, 1. V. Your turn. My turn. V. Next, E. Let's say E together. You're first. Say E. Good job. Now my turn. Before, together. E. Now, good together. E. Let's make a big letter. First, letter L. Yeah. Here, the L. Next, the O. Really good. Let me pinto that. Bro. Brr. There. Next is V. V. Let's draw a letter E next. Upper